Good day, guys. Welcome to another episode of MWN Forex Institute with myself, Mutimo and Nasdaq. So, guys, on today's episode, I'm going to be analyzing GBPUSD for you. I'll show you how to approach the market when it comes to GBP. So, I always start on the higher time frame. The reason why I start on the higher time frame is for me to find the direction of where the market is going. So, looking at this market, it came from this lowest point to give me this high, which was broken again. We had this low, broke to give me this high. If you look at this, we also have support here. So now currently this market is moving up, giving me higher highs and higher lows. This being my higher high at this point here, this being my higher low, and then we have a higher high around here and a higher low. What happened again? We have a higher high and this is a higher low. What I love about this one, let me tell you this. If you look at this one, it's above this. For as long as it's above the structure, the market can retrace and then change direction around. For as long as it's above the structure, it's still a buy. But the minute it had to close below, that will have confirmed ourselves. But for now, overall, we're in a buying momentum. So since we're in a buying momentum, what's happening currently? Because that was the past. If you look at this, we're coming from this highest point, and we also have point around this zone. So, and we seem to have changed direction. We are now buying. Uh, the minute we broke the zone here, those were early confirmations of what of our buys, because this this is our higher high. We're coming from a higher low, then we had a higher high. Then what happened? We had a higher low, and then we had a higher high. This is the current higher high. Can you see? This is the most higher high, and then we had our higher low at this point. So for us to change direction, we have to break this higher high. This one. To fully confirm that we're ready to buy, we have to break this higher high. Meaning we had to break above the zone, and then for us to start buying, or to know that we can hold our buys. Because sometimes you can see that the market it broke this structure, giving us our early confirmations of what of our buys, you know. But then you have to overall wait for to see if the market will break the zone so that you can hold your buys for the long. And now we know that okay, we're looking for buys for the longest time. Okay, we want to come to the zone and we're coming from. I'm going to highlight. We need to come to the zone, and we are coming from the zone. So we're looking for what? We're looking for buys. At the same time, I have this higher high, which was broken, and I also have this higher high acting as what at this point, and we have this one, our current new one, which is our resistance, our new higher high. So now, either the market can move down to find support at the zone before we continue with our buys, or the market can break and keep on moving up. But we're gonna see what will happen as we move on to our lower time. Move to our lower time. I'm going to go to the 4 hour time. Going to the 4 hour time frame, what am I expecting? I'm expecting to what? To look for my buys. But I won't just enter the buys anyway. I have to fully wait to see where the market will buy and change direction. So now we know that okay, we've broken here, but we haven't retested that much. So the market can still come and retest around the zone. Even come to retest around the inner zone, this one. But overall, just know that okay, our market is what it's buying. The only time we consider ourselves it's when it breaks this one, this higher low, this one. It means we close below this higher low. We would have confirmed that okay, we can hold ourselves. But so currently we're looking for what? For buys. And if I look into the 4 hour, looking at the structure, you're gonna see that okay, if I had to draw a trend line, let me change this. If I had to draw a trend line, you're gonna see that okay, we are in a buying, we're in a bullish trend line, or in a buy momentum. So we're looking for buys. So since we're looking for buys, you know they all say, but when they say buy low and sell high. So if you look at this, currently the market, it's at its highest point, because this is the highest point. This is the resistance on the daily. I'm going to highlight this resistance. So now, since the market has found resistance of the trend line and the resistance of the uh, zone, so the market can what, can come and test around here before we can what, so we can continue with our buys, or we can continue with our buys, or we can wait to see if the market can break the zone. If the market can close above the zone, you enter your buys and wait for the market. So now looking at this, since we're expecting the market to move down, if I move to a 1 hour time frame, what will you see? You're gonna see that okay, currently this market, if I have to zoom in, the market has changed direction in the 1 hour time. As you can see, you had your higher high, your higher low, and then you had your higher high. And then what did the market? It can break this zone, broken this, meaning now we can look forward ourselves. If you're going to be taking sales, just know that okay, you're going to be taking sales around this zone, this one, and your sales, you'll be scalping your sales because you have to sell around this zone and then take your profit around this zone. You're taking your profit around that before you can what, expect the market to change direction and start buying. But those trend lines are there just to help you to know where will the market turn around. But for me, looking at this, the market, for me, it's going to be selling. So if you're going to be selling, wait for the market to first give you a bullish, a bearish engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle. If it closes below, take your sell, put your stop loss above. Uh, so you know that okay, you're gonna expect the market to first move down. You expect the market to move down, find zone. Either it's gonna find this zone, start buying at that zone, or okay, come to this one, come to, or it starts what, before it starts, because we're expecting buys from that zone or above that zone. So those are the two scenarios that the market can do. You can either find support here, buying, or find support here, then start buying, or overall it can break these zones and then come back to retest and carry on buying. That's also possible. That is also possible for the market. So possible for the market. So for me, right now I'm looking at this scalp cells. If I had to scalp the cells, I'm going to be selling around the zone. I'll just wait for the market to give me a bearish candle. If it's engulfing, that will be a strong sell because I know I'm going to take my sales from this zone up until here and then close my sales at buy. Because overall, what are we looking for? We're looking for the market to buy come to this point, which is the highest price. That's what we're looking at. So the market can give us those deep retracement before we can start buying. So for now, just know that okay, you're going to be selling, looking for scalps, scalp and sales, and hold up. And then you're going to take your buys, hold your buys. So that's how you can also analyze your GP. And guys, another thing, just know that trend lines are there to help you know the direction of the market is going. So if I had to draw this trend line, the market can either come and find a first touch, second touch, and give me a third touch out of those. So all the market found what resistance, as you can see, resistance. But overall, what are those trend lines telling? Telling you that they're heading to the top, they're looking upward. It's telling you that the market direction is so. So what are you looking for? You're looking for buys, overall buys. Like your sells are going to be short, and then your buys are going to be long. And always use proper risk management, guys. And this video is not a fun. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how I analyze the market when it comes to like different kinds of. So guys, please follow me on Instagram. Please like, please do share the video. On Instagram, you can search for me, Mutimo Wednesday. Also on Facebook, Mutimo Wednesday. You're gonna see. So guys, yeah, thank you for watching this video.